very nice today on the 24th of April 2023. We have Huopalahdentie Huopalahdentie 7, and this is the staircase B or
Yes.
yeah. And we will also go to the staircase A soon. This is here in Munkkiniemi, Munkkiniemi, Helsinki, Finland. And we still have something like, well, a little bit less than 20 elevators left to be filled here later.
Yeah.
15 or so, but we'll see it later. Or a little bit more now, almost 20 because we found some more.
Yeah.
And the capacity is 3 persons, 1.4 grams in Swedish or Finnish outside also, but they have renewed the interior here when it was modernized in 2002. But the metal plate is original and the gate is still here.
Yeah.
Yeah, the cylinder is H5055 were built originally in 1952, actually modernized in 2003. Early 2003.
Yeah.
Station is turning 20 years old this year in 2023. But it is early 2003.
Yeah.
It says 2002 in the information.
Yeah.
And it turns 17 years old in this year, 2022. But I think we got 2 more that we found in Munkkiniemi, so probably like 18 left or something. But I'll check it later. Has a stop button here.
Yeah.
It's rounded.
Inspected by Kiva Inspected, maintained by Kone.
I like this smell in here.
Same here.
It'll be inspected this year, 2023. It could have also been modernized with the Delta evergreen buttons, but this is also very nice. It's quite early.
Yeah.
Early Delta. That's it. Well, thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the sticky section.
That's